Imagine waking up tomorrow to find your entire Jira projects and its configurations gone, like accidentally deleting an entire or important file, but this time is your whole projects. Hi, I'm Deepak Rai, and as a technology specialist with over a decade of experience, I have seen this unimaginable happen today. I'm going to show you how to safeguard your Jira data and ensures you are never caught off guard. Let's dive right in. Here we have a custom Jira projects with a unique issue types and fields. Let's simulate disaster. We are going to delete this complete projects. This one move to trash. Jira warned us multiple times, but let's ignore that for now. We move the project to the trash and then permanently delete it. As you can see, this projects and all its issues are gone. And here from the trash as well, we will delete it permanently. Again, this will warn me, but once I will refresh, it is completely gone. Let's say we also delete the configurations, custom issue types, and the fields as well. So here, whenever I will navigate it to custom fields sections, I can see this design is listed or affected services. So these are the fields which I wanted to delete or maybe change type. I will move to the trash and this will move successfully. Here I can see this is unavailable. Similarly, I've also wanted to delete issue types. Now here I can see this issue type is listed. I wanted to delete that as well. This will give me an options to delete permanently where I have deleted it quickly. So deleting my favorite fields, ignoring the warning, everything is gone. Disaster has officially struck. So what do you do now? If you don't have a backup solutions in place, you might think you are done for. And Jira is just providing, or Atlassian is just providing the partial backups. And even if you will be able to make that backup happen, you won't be able to streamline all those informations within the projects. Maybe you will get partially cooked informations. But here is where Revyz Data Manager for Jira comes to the rescue. With the Revyz install, recovering from a disaster is straightforward. Let's walk through the process. First, we go to the Manage Apps, and if you have not installed yet, make sure to install Revyz Data Manager for Jira and then create a backup. We will take a baseline backup for the current or corrupted state. This is a critical because Revyz will compare backup with the last good backup to identify the changes. So in this case, what we will do, we'll navigate into the backup sections, and here I will again create a backup. Or when I will go back to here we have this Jira issues and Jira configurations, and then create a backup now. In this case, I will go to clone and restore, and from here we'll click on projects. As of now, I can see this is my last backup which is generated. Click on next, show all my projects, and from here we'll see data migrations projects. As of now, I wanted to enable this for restoring all those issues. I will see dependencies. If we don't have any dependencies, I can see the complete project is selected. Let me clone this. Here we have defined our instance ID or site name, paste it and click on clone. Revyz will now restore all projects, including all issues and configurations. This might take a few minutes, depending on the size of the data. While we are waiting, let's talk about why this is so important. Data loss can happen at any point of time due to human error, software glitches, or other unforeseen events. Having a reliable backup solutions like Revyz ensures you are never left scrambling to rebuild from scratch. The restorations process will help us to make sure we will get all our data back. Now, if you can see here, it's still running. Today, depending on the data sets we have, we can see those take-ins. So let's wait for a couple of seconds and then probably we will refresh it. Now, the restoration is complete. Let's verify everything. So here we go back to our projects and find out our data migrations projects. And here it is. All our issues are backed up. Checking one of the issues where we can see this create defect with REST API option is available. It is rewarded. And if you'll go to the history sections, you can see this was backed up in a minute ago. Now, disaster rewarded thanks to Revyz Data Manager for Jira. Remember, in the world of technology, it's not about if disaster will strike, but when with Revyz, you can rest easy, knowing your data is safe and recoverable. Here, we can also see into the issue types. Let me refresh it. And in this case, I can see all Jira configurations. We can also revert it with this snapshots. Now, this is critical when we are selecting the configurations part. So here we have to select all the fields which I wanted me to revert. In this case, it will take few seconds. And after that, we have this informations added successfully. This time I am taking a Jira configurations clone. So it will revert our custom fields as well as our issue types, which we have reverted few minutes back. Now it's queued. Let's wait for a couple of minutes and then we'll see the result. Now let's see the issue types. You can see here IntelliPart is reverted, which we have deleted initially. In this case, let me go back to the custom fields, and from here we can also see custom field is also got reverted. So that's how we can create a backup or complete backup of our solutions, and whenever any disaster happens into our instance, we can quickly save it. So that's the power of Revyz Data Manager for Jira. Now, don't wait for the unimaginable to be happen. Prepare today and thank yourself tomorrow. Click the link in the descriptions to start your free 30 days trial of Revyz Data Manager for Jira, which is your peace of mind. It's just click away. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tips and solutions. See you in the next video.